Hello, so what we're talking about here is the Suttner ST261 unloaders and a lot of other unloaders in the marketplace as well that work the same way. So what you simply got there is you've got the unloader valve and you've also got the pressure switch on the unloader that causes that machine to stop and start. On the ST, what can happen sometimes is you've got the little switch inside here and this brass housing. That red part that's inside there can sometimes stick with corrosion. Sometimes what we do is we take this little red part and just file it down so it's running smoothly in the housing of this. So what we'll simply do is explain how it works. So when you come to set your machine up, you normally need a message to make the machine start. So what you simply got is a switch that's normally opening or normally closed. So as you can hear there, we've got a message. If we push against this red part, when you let go of the trigger on your machine, the machine stops. Pull your trigger and the machine starts because the pressure's off the system. So as you can see on the multimeter and the noise, you're getting the signal. Obviously there on the wires, you've also got your earth wire. We cut this one off here because obviously that is not normally used, and put a connection over because obviously that is the opposite way around. But them are the two ways you normally use to make the machine stop and start. So what simply happens is you need a message to make the machine start when there's no pressure on the system. If we push this unloader, so if we pretend it's pressing against the unloader and it's pressurised up with no message, so the machine automatically stops. If you've got a leak on the system, sometimes what we've also got is a non-return in that unloader as well. So if the machine is, that could be a pressure problem within the system itself, from the trigger to the unloader. It's making the machine surge, jip jip, starting, stopping, jip jip, stopping and starting. And that is the pressure switch that's controlling that. And inside the ST261 you've got a non-return valve in there, and it can be that that's causing the problem as well, to make that machine surge all the time continuously. Thank you very much, Qwashers, Q Services, eBay and YouTube.